Hello, today I will show how to use FxPro MetaTrader 5. What exactly FxPro? Well, FxPro is an online Forex and CFD trading broker that lets people trade global financial markets, like currencies, stocks, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, through trading platforms such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader. So let's start the main video. First, open FxPro. Make sure you are logged in. You can use your real account or demo account for trading. I will choose my demo account. For that, click on Demo Accounts. Here you can see MetaTrader 5 demo account. Now click on Trade. Here you can see your server, login ID and password. Now if you click on this, you can use MetaTrader 5 in your browser. If you have MetaTrader 5 app, just open it. Click File at the top left corner. Now click on Open an account. Now find FxPro and select FxPro and click on Next. Then enter your password and server and click on Finish. Now you can trade using your MetaTrader 5. And that's it. Thanks for watching.